Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the basics that actually fix most issues. Make sure the TV is on the correct Wi-Fi and that your connection meets at least 5 megabits per second for smooth playback. Once done, sign out of the YouTube or Google account on the TV, then sign back in to refresh credentials. Next, power cycle the network, turn off modem and router, wait 30 seconds, then restart them and the TV. This clears temporary network glitches and forces fresh addresses. Once your network is stable, focus on the app and system state because outdated software or corrupted cache often blocks playback. Make sure both the YouTube app and the TV firmware are up to date. Updates include bug fixes and new codecs. If problems persist, clear the app cache or data. This removes temporary files that can cause crashes, or uninstall and reinstall the app to restore defaults. Also verify TV time and DNS. Disable any VPNs or proxies, since they can break YouTube authentication or stream delivery. To finish, run tests to confirm the fix. Open YouTube and try different videos, then test another streaming app to see if the issue is app-specific or system-wide. If reinstalling failed and other apps are affected, consider a factory reset of TV settings as a last resort. Back up any saved credentials first because this erases app data. If things still go wrong after that, record any error codes and your TV model. Then contact manufacturer or YouTube support. This troubleshooting tip speeds resolution by giving them clear diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.